3 months?
Thank you for the excitement question for us. Actually, we hope and believe that the government of India is much positive on these issues. See, if we see the past history of Tripura, when ADC was created, that time many leaders from the state, they have said, Koktwma, ADC Dibana, which means we will give a bloodshed, but we cannot give an ADC. But that time, Indira Gandhi has withdrawn and give us a fresh letter, which he overruled and give us ADC. After that, again, during the accord of TNB, during the TNB accord, it was again said, no such sweet sharing shall be given to the TNB accord. But same thing happened with Rajiv Gandhi, the late Prime Minister. He said that, and he overruled it again, and he gave us 3 seats in the constituency. And now we hope and believe, though many leaders from the state, if they are not agree with our agreement, since it's a tripartite agreement, the promoter, state of government of Tripura and the government of India, not with the BJP government. If they want, they can overrule and they can give us. That's why we have faith and trust in our Maharaj that such which the agreement was been signed, it will obviously give us a fruitful and one day it will be success. Not today, not tomorrow, but one day we believe the agreement of the Prasa Accord will be success within the state of Tripura.
And what about the progress, the ways going on? Because the final talks, we are expecting that on 17th of January there will be a final talk like that, but it somehow did not happen. Are you happy the way the things are happening, the progress of the thing happening? Because Maharaj himself had sometime even in social media he has spoken about.
Yes, for this reason, see the progress is going on, and that's why we are waiting. All in all, Maharaj will speak on that. Whatever the Maharaj, whatever he take the decisions, we are ready on that issues. And that's why Maharaj has just mentioned on his social media during the live video. He said that if the government of India was not positive on the issues of the Prasa Accord, we are ready to withdraw the government for the alliance. We all are ready to support Maharaj. And I hope the government of India have some sentiments on the process, and we love government of India. We have faith such incident won't happen, since Tripura is not only for the process. We all living here for many years with different communities. That's why we hope that the Prasa Accord will be on a very good progress. I hope so. And in the plenary session, we are discussing on these issues. In the plenary session, on both the day, 27 and 28, Maharaj will be present along with us.
And sir, my last is on the village council election. It was supposed to be, because there was a case from the promoter party also, it was supposed to happen. But without a village council, the chief panchayat system in the ADC is not happening. It's almost around more than 4.5 year times have passed. So how do you see into it?
See, this matter, we have filed a case on the High Court to the state government. So I let the state government give the positive answer on this. We are ready to conduct the ADC election for the many years. We came in the power in 2021. From that time onwards, we have been asking and we have been protest against the village committee elections. Many elections happened in Agartala itself. The municipality election has finished and over. Why the disease election is not yet conducted? It depends. Let the government of Tripura, the state government, let them give the answer. It's not on us to give the answers, and we are ready for conducting the elections. We are all the time we are ready for that.
But what is your view on it? You are not supposed to answer on that, but what is your view on that? How do you see into that things, the progress? Because ADC's village committees are very important, crucial role at the grassroots level.
Obviously, that's why in the village committee elections, many of our peoples were